Are you looking for a power up your solar business with a standing online presence? Introducing the website that is ChargeFuse. This is it's especially for solar panel installation and maintenance for Elementor. The best part is I will provide you the license key and giving you the complete ownership and flexibility to customize your website. Here you are the license key. First, I can here I will show you the license key, but you need the file. If you use this file, you have to purchase from my link. So I will tell you everything, don't worry about it. So right now India and also all over the world has been making significant stride in the renewable energy, particularly solar and wind power, right? So if you are use template kit, is not only affordable but also incredibly high quality, versatile. Actually, if you are a website owner, if you are freelancer, you can use this template kit. So this template kit will help you to save money and save your time and also maintain your headache. So in this file you will get everything. And if I go to the website and visit the website, if as you can see, this is the whole website. This is super nice and very looks professional website. As you can see, this is the full nice and very good looking website. This is the blog section. If I open any blog, this is the blog page. You can write any blog about solar, and as you can see, the form section form are very nice, and also the button is very cool. Also our color combination are very professional. As you can see, this is the about section, and this is the your about. Here you will just change you will just change the picture and text. That's it. You don't need to do anything, but you need the structure, you need a layout. I will provide this layout. Actually, this is the contact us page. Here you will set your contact number and address and email also. And how, and guess what is the price? Where did you get the file? Well, go to the website. This is the website. I will provide you this is the link. And if you go to my YouTube video, the first link will be this link, and if you click this link, you will get redirect to this page, and you can visit the website over here. Actually, this is the full website. And if I click, if you just pay for only $5, just get this. And after clicking this option, you will see the name and email and your card detail. When you send all this information and pay with card, and also obviously checking this robot and pay with card, and you will get the file with license key with file. Don't worry about it. But here I have shown you everything, and I will just show you one more thing. That is, if I open the file, what would be there? If I open this file, as you can see, these are the whole each and every part is screenshot. If I open this archive blog page, these are the blog page, these are the home page, these are the contact us page, this is the FAQ page. Each and every page, every screenshot have a template here. Sorry for that. Here the template, each and every template. Use this template for your Elementor for WordPress. Each particular page need each file. You just import, and you just see the magic thing. That is, your design will appear over here, just one click. So why you waiting? So don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your solar business online. Get ChargeFuse today and shine bright in the digital world. Thank you so much.